Tips to going viral on social media. Hello there, I'm Alex. Welcome back to the GOSO channel, and I'm here to tell you some tips on how you can go viral on social media. Some experts define the term going viral as capturing the attention of, a large number of people to look at your photo or video. Now, the experts also say that there is a time limit in order for your video to go viral. So if it's 24 hours to 3 days, and in that time your video has gathered anywhere between 100k views to 5 million views, yes, that fits the definition of going viral, even though the term going viral isn't really used that much anymore. Basically, it's going to be considered a successful video without the in inverted commas. Instagram influencers, depending on the amount of followers that they have, can easily achieve these goals. But this for them is much more about the personality that they have and that they're presenting, rather than the content that they're presenting to achieve these goals. What that means is that the followers are likely to watch because they like the person and how they talk and the jokes they make and how interesting they are, even if they're not that interested in the topic that they're talking about. Now, don't worry, if you really want to go viral, then you don't just have to be an influencer. You could get very lucky because that topic could be trending that you've made the video about, for example. Well, I said get lucky, but I didn't really mean get lucky, because what you can do really is actually just do research on the trending topics of the times and make a video related to that content. Get people the first ones in the door, and hey-oh, what do you know? Look at you. You are viral. Now, one of the best ways to find out trending topics is by using Google Trends. Look on there, what's going on in United States at some point of United States. Certain time, you can look at all those things, see the statistics of how many people are looking for a certain search term, research a lot of search terms that you're interested in, or you can actually just see at the bottom there's a list of the top 5 which you can expand on, most viral topics at that exact time that you are on Google Trends. Check it out, why not? Interesting, isn't it? But very importantly, knowing your audience is essential and what they like to consume. Having that knowledge really assists you in gaining traction with your video and grabbing those eyes onto your page. And now I'm going to explain to you 4 tips on how you can go viral on social media. Tip number 1, choose intriguing titles. Yes, just like newspaper headlines. Boy born swims faster than shark. Old man yells at cloud. Interesting. Business News Daily points out that finding an intriguing title for your video can obviously draw in much more eyes. This simply means choosing an intriguing title which makes people want to watch. Now, normally you don't want a title that's too short and you don't want a title that's too long. You want to be just in the middle of it, and it needs to be a little bit clickbaity. Just think along the lines of newspaper headlines, and also just look through all of our videos, for example, on GOSO, so that you can see the examples that we have chosen.
Who's laughing now?
And essentially, remember to pop it all in capitals, put it in bold if possible, and maybe use language which promises an emotional connection or response from the audience. Tip number 2, know what content is trending. Most popular social media account holders also have a number of people that they follow as well. In some cases, these are influencers who are in touch with the trends of the time. These are individuals who maintain engaging content and information about trending topics such as fashion, music, or politics, or football, or animals, or dogs, or TikTok dances, or the list goes on and on and on. As I mentioned before, I can't recommend enough using Google Trends for this. It's a fantastic way to find out what is trending. It says it in the name. Check out Google Trends. It's really simple. Number 3, understand your followers. There are many good reasons to build an audience on social media. For some people, these are followers associated with business ventures or specific companies. Charities and various other organisations use this platform to gain support. Understanding your followers and what interests them essentially will help propel any content that you post, especially videos. And tip number 4, the last one of the video, and then I will let you get on with your day or let you get on with watching more GOSO videos, why not, is to make them visually appealing. Plain video content is likely not to be very successful when it comes to trying to get a specific number of views for your YouTube video. That was boring, right? That was really boring. It's important to make your videos visually appealing. Infographics, vivid shots, colourful text, great music, they're all things that keep the viewer engaged, as well as looking really handsome. So essentially, you've got to just make it look as nice as possible. Get some editing skills behind you, use Adobe Premiere, whatever, it's really easy to learn. Also, little by little, take some classes online, whatever. If not, just use the tools on stories or whatever that you've got. You've got enough on there. You've got Instagram stories, music, you've got hashtags. You can actually see a video on how to make hashtags invisible right here. And there's a plethora of tools that you can use to make your videos more visually attractive, but never as attractive as this. So, in essence, that's all for today. I'll let you get on with watching more GOSO videos. Yes, please, thank you very much. Comment below if you've enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe. I've been Alex, this has been GOSO, and you've been the viewer. Check out goso.io, and thank you very much. See you later.